Hello, Tayo class. I think we've got a really interesting question today from the Big Questions for Little People, and that is, why do I get hiccups? And this has been answered by Harry Hill, who is a comedian and a former doctor. So why do we get hiccups? Hiccups are basically a twitching of the muscle that lies below your chest and above your tummy. This thin, trampoline-like muscle is at the base of the lungs, so when it twitches, it causes you to take a little breath, which makes that hiccupy noise. The muscle is called your diaphragm. Say di-a-fram. Most of us get hiccups after we've eaten too fast or drunk something cold or fizzy. The shock it gives our tummies makes the diaphragm muscle jerk sharply, like you would if you'd been given a shock. This pulls air into our lungs at such a speed that it rushes past the vocal cords in our throats, making the hic sound. The diaphragm then twitches for a while, at random. The good news is that usually the diaphragm calms down in minutes. Though, in one famous case, an unfortunate man in America had the same bout of hiccups for 68 years. Most doctors will tell you that this is the reason for hiccups, but I prefer another theory. When we eat, the food is broken down in the stomach where it dies, releasing its ghost. Trapped within the stomach, this food ghost is heard wailing and complaining about its fate. You can sometimes hear these noises as tummy rumblings. To live, the ghost must eat, and indeed does. In fact, stomach ghosts are notoriously greedy. Every time you have a shepherd's pie or some chips, your stomach ghost has a feast. As it eats, that food dies again, releasing more ghosts who in turn eat food, die, and so on, resulting in a stomach bulging with angry ghosts who just want a change of scenery. Pretty soon, this loose assortment of ghouls realise they can achieve a lot more by joining forces. They elect a leader and form a ghost collective, thus becoming a sort of gastric super ghost. When this super ghost grows big enough, it releases a series of baby ghosts which appear as hiccups. Finally, the super ghost explodes in what we call a burp, and the whole process starts again. That's what I heard. Anyway, which story do you think is true?